Hi everyone, I'm Lugogo Frank, a student of Lugogo VTI, pursuing a national certificate in electrical installation and maintenance. Right now, we are here practicing our practical for solar. We have been covering solar and its importance and the efficient to the world. I have been in field practicing some of these things that we are doing right now. I'm here to tell everyone there that you come to institutes like Lugogo VTI and other institutes to gain skills, because this world needs skilled people, not method people. So I welcome you to all institutes like Lugogo VTI. After my semester, I'm willing to be a great technician in solar. That's why we are going to have an industry training. Now I applied in a solar company. Now they called me to join them. I will make sure that I gain that skills all over the world to do everything in the world concerning with solar. So everyone there, you come for a solar and institute for better skills, because the world needs skills. Thank you.